So what's up, my peoples? Let me show you something that you're going to have. So here is the quarter on my fastback conversion Mustang, the born again Mustang. I'm going to show you a couple things. The plug welds that we're going to wind up doing, if you'll look on this piece, these little holes that are punched in there, those don't come automatically. That didn't come in the fender when you get it. The fender comes complete. What I'm going to recommend you do when you get ready to convert your coupe to a fastback, once you've got the body cut off, once you've got the new inner structure on it, is you're going to do a fitment thing. You're going to fit all your quarters, and you're going to fit your roof panels, your wheel wells. Everything's going to get fitted onto the car. Once it's fitted, you're going to do something like what I've done. Is I've gone around this quarter panel. Let me just show you around here on this side. If you'll look right here, you see these little black dots? These little black dots that are all along through here. All right, those black dots is where I have marked where I'm going to punch a hole in this particular fender. Now let me show you a tool that I used to do that with, and I need to explain. The first tool is a Harbor Freight, what is it called? It is an air punch flange tool, and it's an amazing tool that will pinch the blood out of the tip of your finger when you're punching a hole. If you put your finger or hands on the top side of it, it will straight pinch the blood out of your hand. And it's not enjoyable at all, but it works really good. It makes flanges, but on this side it punches little bitty holes. That's what these holes are right here. See these little holes? Hope you can see that. That's those little holes. That's where I've punched it with the flanger tool. Now, those holes are not big enough for a plug well. You need to make them a little bit bigger. I use a step bit, and that step bit, I just open those holes up just a pinch more, and I'm going to show you how I do that.